It rarely rains in California. People smile when the sky turns gray. I should feel a little lighter, but something in me fades away. It's been a week since we said goodbye. Haven't found the words to write. You still like my posts in silence, and it rains inside my mind. California rain falling slow. Everyone's happy, I don't know. A little warm, a little pain. Outside it's clear, inside it rains.